2014 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, backup camera, power lift gate, navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Car Fax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Car Fax Buyback Guarantee.